So let's talk about Google and AI and how small businesses can leverage the synergies between Google and AI to achieve sustainable success. So, the subtitle of this particular video slash article is the intersection of Google, AI, and small business, exploring future synergy and productivity. So, in the ever evolving landscape of digital business, Google has long been the cornerstone of online visibility and success. I think we can all agree with that, right? However, with the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, AI, there arises a pertinent question. Will AI replace Google in the realm of small businesses, rendering the search giant redundant? Or will there be a symbiotic relationship between Google and AI, propelling small businesses into a new era of productivity and success? So let's look at the concept of search, Google search, and the future of Google search. Google's search engine has been instrumental in connecting consumers with businesses, making it an indispensable tool for small enterprises seeking online visibility. However, the future of search is undergoing a paradigm shift with the integration of AI technologies. AI driven algorithms are becoming increasingly adept at understanding user intent, context, and delivering personalized search results. This evolution in search presents both challenges and opportunities for small businesses. On one hand, AI powered search engines may offer more precise targeting and better user experiences, enabling businesses to reach their target audience more effectively. On the other hand, it could also mean increased competition as businesses vie for visibility in a more complex and dynamic search environment. So let's move to the concept of synergy and the power of collaboration. Rather than viewing AI as a threat to Google's dominance, small businesses can harness the power of AI to enhance their presence on Google's platform. AI driven tools such as natural language processing, NLP for short, predictive analytics, and chatbots can optimize website content, improving ad targeting and enhance customer engagement, all critical components of a successful online presence. So that's website content, improve ad targeting, and enhance customer engagement, right? Critical components of a successful online presence. Moreover, Google itself has been integrating AI into its products and services, from Google Ads to Google Analytics. By leveraging these AI features, small businesses can gain deeper insights into consumer behavior, and they can refine their marketing strategies and streamline their operations. Let's move to the concept of productivity, which is the key to sustainable growth for small businesses. In today's fast paced business environment, productivity is paramount for small businesses looking to stay competitive. AI technologies offer a myriad of opportunities to boost productivity across various facets of business operations. For instance, AI powered automation tools can streamline repetitive tasks such as data entry, customer support, and inventory management, freeing up valuable time and resources for small business owners to focus on innovation and growth initiatives. Additionally, AI driven analytics platforms can provide actionable insights in real time, enabling businesses to make data driven decisions swiftly and effectively. So, now let's talk about the need for both Google and AI. While AI holds tremendous potential to revolutionize the way small businesses operate online, it is unlikely to replace Google altogether. Instead, small businesses will likely need both Google and AI to thrive in the digital marketplace. Google remains a vital gateway for consumers seeking information, products, and services online. Its vast reach, sophisticated algorithms, and robust advertising platform make Google an indispensable tool for small businesses looking to attract customers and drive sales. However, AI complements Google's offerings by enhancing the efficiency, effectiveness, and personalization of online interactions. By embracing AI technologies, small businesses can unlock new opportunities for growth, improve operational efficiency, and deliver superior customer experiences. So, in conclusion, the future of small business success lies at the intersection of Google and AI. Rather than viewing AI as a threat to Google's dominance, small businesses should embrace AI as a catalyst for innovation and growth. By leveraging the synergies between Google and AI, small businesses can navigate the evolving digital landscape with confidence and achieve sustainable success in the years to come. Thank you so much for listening. If you liked this video, please, 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 pretty please, give us a thumbs up and like and share. Leave a comment. A constructive comment is even better. And or criticism, it's okay as long as it's constructive. Help us improve, right? And subscribe, which is really important because that will help us a lot in the algorithms with YouTube. Okay. And what else? And that's about it. Subscribe, like, share, thumbs up, comment. It's a lot. Subscribe if that's all you can do for now. And come back for the next video as well, because that's also a metric that's important, that you come back and we have, repeat visitors. Thank you again. Have a great day. See you in the next one.